Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So, open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down, and right here we have update firmware, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check software version. Now, to check it, just tap on it, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Now, if it didn't help you, the next one what I recommend it to you is to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now wait about 15 seconds, and after that just open it, and the battery level of your earbuds and the charging case should update. If it also didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light flashed red 3 times. Firstly it entered to prank mode, so it starts to blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. 1, 2 and 3, okay, and we have it. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here at the device list near to your earbuds we have information icon, or if you have Android you will see settings icon, so click on it and then forget the device. Then forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, at the top you will see it. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button to enter prank mode, we just tap these earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.